I'm going to show you how to factory reset a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds, okay? You want to do a factory reset, you have issues pairing or connecting to a device, maybe you can't get it into pairing mode where it blinks like that blue, maybe it keeps disconnecting, maybe it's out of sync, and so on, okay? So with a factory reset, what we're going to do is both the buds are in the case. Let's open the case up. Let's take out both the buds, okay? Now we only need to use one of the buds. It doesn't matter if we use the right one or the left one. I'm going to use the right one here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my ear, and then once it's in my ear, I'm going to tap on that JBL logo. I'm going to do this. Tap, tap, and then tap and hold. And keep holding until it says power off. Now if you do tap, tap, tap and hold, and you keep holding and then it says pairing, then you need to do it over again, okay? So I'm going to use the right one here. I'm just going to put it in my ear and I'll be able to hear that beep, beep, and the chime. All right, so it's in my ear now. And now let's go ahead and try this. Let's see if I can get it the first time. Okay, ready? That JBL symbol, pop, pop, and then press and hold. I'm holding now. Oh no, I did it wrong. Okay, it says pairing. Let's go ahead and do it again, all right? Let me put it back in my ear here, and then we're going to do it again. Ready? Tap, tap, tap and hold. I'm holding now again. Still holding. Oh, now it said power off, okay? Now it said power off, so now we did it right. Now what we got to do is put it back into here, close the lid, and then we're going to go ahead and open it, and now it should automatically be in the pairing mode where it's going to be blinking blue. Give it 1 second here. There you go, factory reset is done. It's blinking blue, it's back in the pairing mode. Now just remember, if you factory reset these earbuds but you were previously paired to another phone, like I was paired to this iPhone here, for me to connect back to this iPhone, I would have to go into my settings here, go into Bluetooth, and then you see it was paired right here, this JBL. So if I want to pair it back to this phone, I have to remove this off the pairing list. So let me click on that I for information. And I'll just tap on forget this device. If you're on an Android, it'll be like unpair. Okay, now it's gone. Now it should show up down here if I want to connect back to this phone here. Okay, it's still in the pairing mode, is blinking blue. Let me just turn the Bluetooth off. Let me turn that off. Let me turn it back on and see if it shows up now. What do you know? And now if I want to, I can connect back to this iPhone. Pretty simple.